So it's time for us to paint the master bedroom. We decided we wanted it to match the bathroom. I got the corners and the plugs all cut in and painted around and prepped for the walls going full force. Got all the plugs and areas done. So this corner over here was kind of hard behind this door. The paint color we went with is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. It's just such a nice hue of gray. I'm currently working on this one wall just to get an idea of how it's going to look and how it's going to cover this old green paint. So I'm sure it's going to take several coats. I was quickly realizing that it was going to take a while for me to do this all by myself. So I decided to recruit some help from some neighbors. I got Kinley and Heather. They are here painting tonight with me. We're trying to get the first coat on. It doesn't look too great right now because part of it's dry, part of it's wet, but it'll look good when we get done. Alright, so our second coat is going on. It looked really good dried on the first coat, so I still got my helpers here. Kinley, woo! They have been a big help to me this evening. So we just got done with the second coat of our painting. We're waiting for it to dry, and we're gonna have another set. Cheers! This is what the room looked like once all the walls were painted. It's a big difference from the green that we had before. Walls are looking good. A few spots on the ceiling. When you're an amateur, that tends to happen, but the bedroom is looking pretty nice, so I'm excited about coming in with the flooring. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.